Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The app is installed and notifications are enabled for contacts and groups. Once done, grant required permissions, notifications, contacts, background refresh, and storage, so messages can appear reliably. Now open the app, sign in with your account, and tap Create Share or New Notification to begin. This gets you immediately into the workflow. You're avoiding extra setup steps and making sure background delivery and contact access are ready before composing your first shared alert. You now compose the shared notification. Choose recipients from individuals, lists, or groups and preview the recipient count so you know reach. Then set the message type, text, link, image, or location, and attach files if needed. Use short previews to reduce truncation. Next, configure delivery. Immediate or scheduled, recurrence rules, priority level, and allowed delivery windows. Make sure to set Do Not Disturb exceptions or fallback times so critical alerts always arrive. This middle step is where precision avoids missed or misrouted shares. You finish by reviewing the preview and test sending the notification to yourself. Once satisfied, confirm or save as draft. After sending, monitor delivery receipts and read confirmations to verify reach and adjust retry intervals and timeouts if needed. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, network connectivity, and whether recipients have blocked or muted the app. Then resend or edit the share. One key troubleshooting tip: test send to a small internal group before wide distribution to catch permission or formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.